right here I was working on a 22 Ram ProMaster. I think it's a 1500, and it had this warning light, parking light out. The ones that were out were the one in the rear. I think there's some in the front too, but for this car, it was the ones in the rear. These bottom lights, it has these bottom lights double as a brake light and the parking light. So as you can see, this top one was kind of like a side one. That one was working, but both bottom ones were not working. The brake light worked, but the the parking light did not work. It also has these top lights, but I don't know if I can recognize if those are out, because those are little lights, but they're usually on. Do that bottom parking light or brake light, you have to take off this cover here. It has 7 Phillips head screws, and I just used this tiny Phillips head screwdriver because there was a bunch of stuff in front of that cover, so you have to use something small. And then basically it just pops off. And then this is what you have to take off. There's these like nuts. They're really weird, but they're 17 millimeters, and they hold in the headlight or tail lamp assembly onto the vehicle. And then it's right here. There's one right here, and I try to get pictures of it. Like I said, it's kind of like a weird nut, but there's 2 of them, and then there's also one down here in this like little opening. It's a very weird nut, but once you take those off, then the whole tail lamp pops off, and those are the 2 screws that align it back into the car. And then this bottom socket is the brake light and parking light. They double as one, and as you can see, this bulb has like a dark spot, meaning that one of the filaments blew, and it's a 7443. And then when you put everything back together, make sure you tighten these snug. You don't want to go crazy because you're tightening a piece of plastic, so you don't want to start breaking it. Just snugged it down with my fingers, finger tight, and then with a ratchet, I just went a little bit more, just a hair more, and that should be about it. Once I replaced those lights, the warning was gone. So if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll try to help you out.